In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a typical Michaels frame or one that you get at Hobby Lobby and make it look a lot more professional. If you're going to sell your work professionally, you cannot use those metal hangers on the back. So what you want to do is flip the entire back side to the inside. And before you do that, you'll want to remove the little metal pieces. And sometimes it gets a little bumpy when you remove it, so I just use masking tape and press it down to smooth it out. I just flip it over, take everything out, put it aside, and after I frame it, I put it back together. I'm using one of my prints from one of my paintings to go in the frame. Want to align it so the signature is there and everything shows. Okay, it looks good. Now going to tape it. And now I'm just reassembling, putting the layers back together. That little piece of paper adds a little cushion. And then instead of the back side, I flip it over and hide that and put it inside. Now I add my logo sticker so people can always find me on the internet. And then it's time to attach the wire backing. If you have extra wire hanging over, just clip it with wire clippers. And there you go, it's that easy. It's ready to head to the gallery. Now the back looks just as nice as the front. Well, thanks for watching. Head over to my website to see more videos.